Class 10th ICSE Biology, Absorption by Roots. This is chapter 4 of Selena. So the first question is, Dash is the branch of biology which deals with life functions of the plant. So the answer would be plant physiology. Plant physiology would be the answer. Second, cell wall is dash permeable, cell membrane is dash permeable, cell phone paper is dash permeable, and rubber sheet is dash permeable. So the answer would be cell wall is fully permeable, cell membrane is semi-permeable. Semi-permeable, or it is also called selectively permeable. Again, cell phone paper is semi-permeable, and rubber sheet is impermeable. Impermeable, not permeable. Not permeable. Yeah. Okay. Next, question number 3. Dash are the extension of the outer and epidermal cells of the roots. So the answer would be root hairs. Root hairs. Dash is a phenomena by which living and dead plant cells absorb water by surface attraction. The answer would be imbibition. IMBIBTION. Imbibition. Fifth, dash is the movement of water molecules from higher concentration to the region of lower concentration through a dash membrane. So the answer would be osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules from higher concentration to the region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. So the answers are pretty simple. This is just a revision of your textbook chapter. Even if you have read the chapter, you'll be able to give all the answers. Answers are not pretty tough. Question number 6. Just a reading of the chapter will be enough. Endosmosis tends to dash the cell. So the answer would be swell up the cell. 7th, the condition in which the cell enlarges or even bursts. This is turgidity. Question number 8. Condition when cells cannot accommodate any more water is called again. This is again turgidity. Yeah. Pressure of the cell, and in both the conditions, in turgidity basically, in turgidity, the solution outside should be hypotonic. Okay. Question number 9. Pressure of the cell contents on the cell wall. Pressure of the cell contents on the cell wall. So this would be the cell wall, and these are the cell contents. We are talking about the pressure of the cell contents on the cell wall. This pressure. This is known as Turger pressure. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Condition when the cell is shrunken is called flaccid. Question number 11. Loss of water through cut stem is called bleeding. Even if you have read the chapter, you will be able to answer all the questions. Question number 12. Loss of excess water in form of tiny drop along the margins of cells margins of leaves is called guttation. Question number 13. Water and salt travel up with the help of xylem. And finally, question number 14. Food substances travel up and down with the help of phloem. So this is a simple test of the chapter. We have recorded other revision tests also. You can have a look at the playlist for the other chapters of ICSA, physics, chemistry, biology, and maths. Thank you.